Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oyin Consola, aka Atarodo. Today I'll be applying my false lashes, showing you how to apply false lashes that is going to stay and you won't have problem and it's gonna stick on. The first thing you would do is apply your mascara. Then you want to measure your lashes. This lashes is a perfect size for me. I've already used it before, so it's perfect for me. Then what you want to do is apply your lash glue to the lash line. On the bottom side, you want to apply it properly. I'll be using the dual lash glue, the one with the black head. That is like the perfect one. You can also use kiss glue too, but this is perfect. So what I would do is I would apply it on both lashes, then drop the lashes and let the glue become tacky. Then I'll take my mirror, looking down, take the lash glue applicator and apply the lash glue to my lash line, directly where my lash line is, close to the mascara, like my eyelashes. It's going to stay in your lashes, but because it is a glue that dries clear, you will leave it to dry, then use your mascara wand or mascara to coat the lash glue. Then I'll leave it to dry for about 5 minutes while also leaving my strip lashes to dry. Then if all this scenario, you might not want to do it, you don't have to do it, but I just want it to be extra. But if you have like empty mascara and you want to comb it through your lashes just to declutter your lashes, another thing that I like to do is before I apply my lashes, I like to fold it together to form like a circle, because when I do that, it forms, I don't know what the word is, it forms together. Then taking a mirror, I would be looking down, then apply the lashes. Can you see how quick that is? It stays on, it grips it right away, and you won't see mistake. You won't see the lash line, the spacing between the lashes, because it stays properly. Then what you just want to do is adjust it properly. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side and fold it together, put the lashes and adjust it. Before we go, one thing, and thank you very much for staying through the video. Before we go, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any tips you want me to tell you or make a video on, kindly leave the comment down below and I would do that. And this is really a pretty self-explanatory video. I just wanted to show how I do it. It's less than 5 minutes, but please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share. Don't mind me. Thank you very much, and you guys have a wonderful time. Bye.